My name is Vilma Dautaj. I have been at Pace Law Firm for about 6 years. I initially completed my undergraduate degree in political science at York University. I then pursued a college diploma at Seneca College in the law clerk program. I started my work at Pace Law Firm as a junior law clerk. I decided at that point that I would pursue law school, and I attended law school in Newcastle University School of Law in England. I was fortunate to return to Pace as an articling student, and I now work as an associate lawyer with Team Alexa. I entered personal injury initially by fluke because I met one of the lawyers from Pace Law Firm at a women's summit, Anu Malhotra, and she's a fairly senior lawyer, and that was only the beginning of the first impressions that were left on me by one of the lawyers here at Pace. And once I entered the firm, I saw the expertise from the lawyers here. I saw the compassion, and I saw that I shared a lot of my own personal interests of wanting to help those that truly need it, wanting to make a difference in people's lives and in securing their safety and their well-being through the process of law, knowing that there is compensation that you are entitled to, knowing that there is help that you deserve, and there are solutions, there are alternative approaches to any situation that you face when you're involved in a motor vehicle accident. And the lawyers here at Pace really do explore every avenue to achieve those solutions, and that's where I wanted to be, and that's what drew me to personal injury. When you get into an accident, the accident itself, it's a very traumatizing experience. You first want to make sure that you're okay, and you can call the police quickly, and you can call the emergency services to ensure your safety and your well-being. That should always be the first step. Once you've been able to do that and you receive the appropriate medical attention, and whether it was on scene or whether it was by way of having to attend a hospital, then you should reach out to a personal injury lawyer, a good personal injury lawyer that can help quickly and swiftly navigate the process of ensuring that your insurer has been notified of your serious car accident, and that the documents are also properly completed and effectively completed in order to start the process of rehabilitation. Client service to me means being there for your client, being accessible to your client, never shying away from a problem, never shying away from a question, and letting your client know, giving them the support and the confidence that you will be able to answer their questions and you will be able to advocate on their behalf. What makes my team special and the senior lawyers that I'm fortunate to work with is that they are just as accessible. They are always available to answer client calls, to answer client concerns, and it's not just by way of email, it's by way of text messages, by phone calls, on a Saturday, on a Friday night. You don't want to wait till Monday morning for an answer that has been aggravating or upsetting you over an entire long weekend. You want to be able to feel confident and secure in your representation, and your legal team should be giving that to you, and our legal teams provide that immediate accessible support. There was a case that I worked on. There was a significant client's file who had been severely injured as a result of being struck by a transport bus. She was a fairly older lady. She had been retired, and she lived completely on her own. She didn't have any family other than a niece. The injury was extremely severe on her right leg, that she continued to suffer from infection after infection, and our legal team was able to secure access to medical benefits and medical rehabilitation that could secure her future needs as well. Once she finished her care and her stay at the home care, we were able to secure her her own private apartment for living with continued access to care through a personal support worker, through in-home physical treatment, through psychological support. And she found that with the help of the treatment along the way, she found herself feeling better and getting better psychologically and physically, and resting assured that access to her entitled benefits were available by her insurer. Our clients can contact us not just by email. Our clients can contact us, or they can contact me directly on my cell phone. They can contact me by messages, by phone calls, through our direct lines at our offices. Our clients can always expect a response, an efficient and effective response, quick solutions, expertise, and knowledge. Above all, car accidents are not something that we go through in our everyday lives. Questions will come up, concerns will come up, and being able to access your team immediately ensures that those questions and concerns are addressed. And that's why we're here. That's why we're available. We're available by email. We're available through our cell phones. We're available through our offices. And we provide those answers and we provide those solutions.